First of all, as some of you may recall, there has been an upsurge of doxing activities in the past few years, which involved the disclosure of personal data without the consent of the relevant data subjects on online platforms. This presented huge challenges to our work as we handled over 9,000 doxing-related cases since 2019. Secondly, there has also been an increase in data breach incidents in recent years, which was attributable to the rapid pace of digitalization and the rise in sophisticated cyber attack techniques such as phishing and ransomware. This, coupled with the emergence of new technologies such as AI, has meant that it is much more difficult for us to safeguard the privacy of individuals in relation to personal data in the cyber world. Lastly, as a result of the integration of Hong Kong with cities in the Greater Bay Area, it is important to facilitate the orderly and safe movement of personal data between Hong Kong and other cities in the Greater Bay Area. We are working hard to provide the necessary expert support to the government in this regard to ensure that any facilitation measures introduced complies with the personal data protection laws, both in the mainland and Hong Kong. To combat privacy-intrusive doxing acts, the Personal Data Privacy Ordinance was amended in 2021 to introduce new doxing offences and to empower the Privacy Commissioner to carry out criminal investigations into doxing-related offences. Since then, we have undertaken robust enforcement actions and proactive online patrols to remove doxing messages. On the increase in data breach incidents and to keep pace with technological developments, my office has published timely guidance on various topics such as data security, the handling of data breaches, and the ethical development and use of AI to assist data users in understanding and complying with the requirements of the Privacy Ordinance. We also responded to data breach incidents promptly, provided advice to relevant organizations, and carried out robust enforcement actions where necessary. To facilitate the cross-boundary flows of personal data in the Greater Bay Area, the Cyberspace Administration of China, the Innovation, Technology and Industry Bureau, and my office jointly published the Standard Contract for Cross-Boundary Flow of Personal Data in December 2023. I would say it is a breakthrough under the One Country, Two Systems regime, as the terms of the Standard Contract ensure compliance with both the Personal Information Protection Law in the mainland and the Personal Data Privacy Ordinance in Hong Kong. All these developments are reflected in this new edition. In the chapter on the new anti-doxing regime, for instance, there is a detailed description of the two-tier doxing offences and the Commissioner's new investigation and prosecution powers. The new edition also provides an in-depth analysis of the requirements of the 6 data protection principles and encompasses an account of the supervision and enforcement work carried out by my office, alongside a detailed explanation of the mainland's personal information protection regime. I'm sure that after reading this book, readers will have a deeper understanding of my office's approach in overcoming the latest challenges to the protection of personal data privacy in Hong Kong.